nature to the life. And tonight our talented students are here to present a little portion of the classic masterpiece from the world of English literature, The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare.
Bassanio, to marry the wealthy lady Portia, the bond states that if Antonio fails to repay, Shylock can take a pound of flesh from Antonio's bond. Antonio's ships are reported lost, and he can't repay. So they are in the court for justice.
Thank you. You're facing a cruel, heartless enemy who is incapable of mercy. I know, my lord. You have to die to suffer his harshness. As there is no legal way to protect me, I am ready to suffer his cruelty and anger. Scenario, you go call the Jew Shylock into the court. My lord, here is standing ready outside. Here he comes. Shylock, everyone thinks, and I agree, you're just pretending to be cruel. And at the last second, you're going to show mercy and pity. Even though you're here to collect the penalty, a pound of this poor merchant's flesh, they think you're not only going to let it go out of humanity and love, you're going to forgive some principal money he owes you. We expect a nice answer from you, Shylock.
I have told you what I intend to do. According to the bond, if you refuse to allow me to do so, your city's charter and freedom are endangered.
That's no answer, you heartless man. It does not excuse your cruel behavior.
I don't have to give you any answers that you like.
Shylock, aren't you afraid of the judgment?
Why should I be afraid of judgment when I haven't done anything wrong? Many of you own slaves, which lives you dive, kiss dogs and mules. You force them to perform awful jobs just because of you bought them. Should I say to you, set them free? The pound of flesh I won from him was dearly bought, and it's mine, and I'm going to get it. If you refuse me, the laws of Venice have no validity. I await justice, so answer me. Will I get it?
I have the authority to dismiss this court unless Bellario comes here. He's a legal expert I called to act as a judge.
Hello?
My lord,
Bhai.
a mission is waiting outside with
Okay,
letters from
annual day
Bellario.
no.
He just came from Padua.
अरे मोटी
As a
पहले
letter, call the messenger in.
Cheer up, Antonio. Keep up courage, my friend.
ఏమన్నది?
I will give my Jew my flesh,
ఎవడు
blood,
పెళ్లి
bones
చెప్పినాడు?
and
అది
everything
ఎవరట?
before you lose one drop of blood for me.
సరే.
Have you come from Bellario's office of Padua?
Yes, my lord. Bellario sends his greetings.
This letter from Bellario introduces us to a young and wise and well-educated judge. Where is he?
He is waiting really to find out if you will invite him in.
With all my heart, one of you call him in.
अरे रे
In the
मैंने
meantime, you read out the letter.
I here received your
Sorry,
letter, but I'm very sick at the moment
Ah.
as it happened when your messenger came
Ah.
here to us from Rome
Ah.
was visiting me.
సరే సరే.
His name is Balthazar. I told him about the case of you and Antonio. We consulted many books together. He knows my legal opinions about this matter and he has his own expert opinions as well. I'm sending him in my place to answer your request for someone to act as a judge in this matter. Please don't underestimate him because he is so young. I never knew such a young man with such a mature head. I leave him to you when you put him to the test. You will see how wonderful he is. You hear what the wise and educated Bellario writes. Thank you.
Are you Balthazar? Did Bellario send you here? Yes, my lord. Are you familiar with this case currently before the court? Yes, thoroughly. Which one is the merchant and which one is the Jew? Antonio and Shylock both come forward. Is your name Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
Your case is more unusual. Though the Venetian law can't stop you from proceeding, he has a claim on you, merchant. Is it correct? Yes, correct. Do you acknowledge the bond Yes, I do. But the Jew must show you the mercy.
On what compulsion must I? Tell me that.
The quality of mercy is not measured. It drops as gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. If you follow the strict code, I think the sentence will go against the merchant.
Here I take all responsibilities of my decisions. I want the law to give the penalty and the fulfillment of my bond.
Can't you pay back the money?
Yes, I am offering to pay it back at this moment, even twice the sum. If that's not enough, I will sign a bond to pay 10 times that much, and I will give my hands and my head and my heart as security. I beg you, use your authority to bend the law. Don't let this devil have this way.
It must not be. There is no power in Venice that can change this.
And Daniel has come to a judgment. Us, and Daniel. Oh, wise and judge, I honor you.
I pray you, let me look upon the bond.
Here it is, George. Here it is.
Here, the bond says that if Antonio fails to repay 3,000 ducats within 3 months, Shylock will be authorized to cut a pound of flesh from any part of Antonio's body which pleases him.
They're offering 3 times the money you lent.
But I made an oath. Whatever the bond says, I'll have to obey that.
Yes, lawfully you may claim flesh from nearest the merchant's hut, but be merciful. Take the money and dismiss the bond.
I charge you by the law, by my soul. I swear there is no power in the tongue of Venice to alter me. I stay here on my bond.
I beg the court to deliver it verdict. Well then, you must prepare yourself for his knife.
Yes, my knife. Those very words.
You merchant, do you have anything to say?
Not much. I am ready and waiting. Give me Bassanio. Goodbye. Do not be sad that this happened.
Nothing is more valuable to me than your life is. I would sacrifice everything to this devil here to save you.
We are trifling time. Please deliver the sentence.
Go, cut the flesh, the lawless sin, and the court awards it.
What a wise judge. Come on, get ready.
But wait a moment, there's something else. The bond doesn't give you any blood at all. If you shed one drop of this Christian's blood, the state of Venice will confiscate your land and all your property under Venetian law.
Oh, what an outrage! Fair exchange.
Is that the law?
You can see by yourself. You'll get more justice than you bargained for.
What an outrage! Fair exchange. A wise judge.
Pay me 3 times the bond and let merchant go.
Here is the money.
Wait, he'll get nothing except the penalty.
Oh, Jew, what an outrage! Is what a wise judge?
Give me my money. I'm not staying here to argue anymore.
Wait, the state of Venice, if a foreign resident, directly or indirectly, attempts to kill any citizen, the person he tried to kill will get half of the foreign goods, and other half goes to the state. So, Ben, get down on your knees and beg mercy from the Duke.
I want you to see the difference between us. So I pardon you even before you ask for a pardon. Half of your wealth goes to Antonio and the other half goes to the state. However, if you show proper humanity, I may reduce this penalty of you a fine.
Yes, the state's half can be reduced, but not Antonio's.
No, go ahead. Take my life. Don't pardon. Take my life. When you take away my means of making a living.
What mercy can you show him, Antonio?
I ask for nothing. First, Shylock must immediately become compassion. Second, he must make a will here in this court that he gives his all property to his son-in-law Lorenzo and his daughter when he dies. He must
again the pardon I just delivered.
Are you satisfied, Jew? What do you say?
I'm satisfied.
Clerk, drop a document to make his gift official.
ఏంటి
Yes.
Please let me go. I'm not well. Send me the deal after and I'll sign it.
You may go, but remember to sign the deal.
We have just witnessed how mercy is an opportunity for each of us to experience the joint gift of God's justice and harmony. So we say live and let live. Now let me introduce Grade 7 Arnav as the Duke of Venice, Grade 8 Srinika as Portia, disguising herself as Balthazar, Grade 7 Alvin as Antonio, Grade 7 Arjun as Shylock, Grade 7 Srinayan as Bassanio, Grade 7 Joel as Salario, Grade 7 Kritika as Nerissa, Grade 7 Lokesh and Srijan as the Royal Gods, and me, Navatejasvi of Grade 6 as the narrator.
Thank you.